Welcome guys, I hope you're doing great today. I'm gonna show you how to display the password of the connected Wi-Fi in your device as a clear text. As you can see here, I connected to this Wi-Fi network like you see. So if I want to display the password of this Wi-Fi, all I need to do, just open the CMD like that. So I'm gonna type here CMD and run it as administrators. Yes. So after that, I will write this command here. So this command will show you all the profile of the Wi-Fi here that you connected before. So if I want to display the password of one of them, all I need to do to write this command here, show profiles. I need to determine the name of the profile. So in this case, we're gonna write my Wi-Fi SSD here, 569 FF8, and after that I'm gonna write key equal clear to show the password as a clear text. Yeah, I got it. So as you can see here, the passwords of my Wi-Fi is displayed here as a plain text. So I can share it with someone, or I can write it here, connect, disconnect, and connect again with this password. So it's gonna work here. So thank you guys.